100 Essential School Questions and Answers. Master your English today. Where is your school? My school is near the park. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Brown. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. When does your class start? My class starts at 8 a.m. Why do you like your school? I like my school because it's fun. Who is your best friend in school? My best friend is Oscar. What do you do during recess? I play with my friends during recess. What do you bring to school every day? I bring my backpack and books. How do you get to school? I walk to school. What color is your school uniform? My school uniform is blue. Who is your English teacher? My English teacher is Mr. Smith. Do you have homework today? Yes, I have math homework. What time do you leave school? I leave school at 3 p.m. Where is your classroom? My classroom is on the second floor. Do you like your classmates? Yes, I like my classmates. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is Greenfield Elementary. How many students are in your class? There are 25 students in my class. What do you eat for lunch at school? I eat a sandwich and an apple. Do you have art class today? No, I don't have art class today. Where is the school library? The school library is on the third floor. What subjects do you study at school? I study math, science, and English. Do you have a favorite teacher? Yes, my favorite teacher is Mrs. Green. What do you do after school? I go home and do my homework. What time does school finish? School finishes at 3 p.m. Do you have any friends in your class? Yes, Nancy is my friend in class. What do you learn in science class? I learn about plants and animals. Where is the principal's office? The principal's office is next to the library. Do you play any sports at school? Yes, I play basketball. Who is your math teacher? My math teacher is Mr. Lee. What is your favorite school activity? My favorite school activity is reading. Do you enjoy school? Yes, I enjoy school very much. What do you do during PE? Class? I play soccer during PE class. How many classes do you have today? I have 6 classes today. Who is your history teacher? My history teacher is Mrs. White. Where do you sit in class? I sit near the window. What is the name of your English textbook? The name of my English textbook is English for Beginners. Do you have a school bag? Yes, I have a red school bag. How do you prepare for a test? I study my notes and do practice problems. What do you do during lunch break? I eat lunch and talk with my friends. Who is your best friend at school? My best friend is Nancy. What time do you wake up for school? I wake up at 7 a.m. for school. Do you go to school on Saturdays? No, I don't go to school on Saturdays. What do you do if you don't understand a lesson? I ask the teacher for help. Where do you do your homework? I do my homework at home. Do you have a computer in your classroom? Yes, we have a computer in our classroom. How do you feel about school? I feel happy about school. What is your favorite day of the school week? My favorite day is Friday. Who helps you with your homework? My mom helps me with my homework. Do you have art supplies in your school bag? Yes, I have colored pencils and a sketchbook. What do you do in music class? I learn to play the recorder. How many subjects do you study? I study 5 subjects. Do you have any siblings at your school? Yes, my brother goes to the same school. What time does your school start? My school starts at 8:30 a.m. Who is the principal of your school? The principal of my school is Mr. Green. Do you enjoy recess? Yes, I love recess. What do you do in computer class? I learn how to type and use the internet. Who is your science teacher? My science teacher is Mrs. Clark. What do you bring for show and tell? I bring my favorite toy. How many teachers do you have? I have 4 teachers. Where do you keep your books? I keep my books in my locker. What is your favorite game to play at recess? My favorite game is tag. Who sits next to you in class? Nancy sits next to me. Do you like to read books? Yes, I like to read books. How many days a week do you go to school? I go to school 5 days a week. What do you do on the school bus? I talk to my friends on the school bus. Who is your gym teacher? My gym teacher is Mr. Adams. Do you have a favorite book in the library? Yes, my favorite book is Harry Potter. Where do you eat lunch at school? I eat lunch in the cafeteria. Do you like doing homework? Sometimes I like doing homework. What is the hardest subject for you? Math is the hardest subject for me. Do you have a school uniform? Yes, I have a school uniform. What do you do if you are late to school? I go to the office and get a late pass. Where do you go during a fire drill? We go to the playground during a fire drill. What do you like most about school? I like seeing my friends the most. Who do you play with at school? I play with Nancy at school. Who do you play with at school? I play with Nancy at school. How do you feel when you get a good grade? I feel very happy when I get a good grade. What do you do in your free time at school? I read books in my free time. Who is your favorite classmate? My favorite classmate is Oscar. What time do you arrive at school? I arrive at school at 8:15 a.m. Do you enjoy learning new things? Yes, I enjoy learning new things. What do you bring for lunch? I bring a sandwich and a juice box. Where is your locker? My locker is near the gym. What is the first subject you study in the morning? The first subject I study is English. Do you have any pets at school? No, we don't have any pets at school. What do you do during school assemblies? We listen to the principal and sing songs. Who helps you when you don't understand something? My teacher helps me when I don't understand. How do you prepare for school every morning? I get dressed, eat breakfast, and pack my bag. What do you wear to school? I wear my school uniform. Do you have friends in other classes? Yes, I have friends in other classes. What do you do when you finish your work early? I read a book or draw pictures. Who teaches you how to write? My teacher teaches me how to write. What is your favorite thing to do after school? My favorite thing to do is play outside. Do you go to after-school programs? Yes, I go to art club after school. How do you feel about your teachers? I like my teachers very much. Where do you go after school? I go home after school. Do you eat breakfast before school? Yes, I eat breakfast before school. Who helps you get ready for school? My mom helps me get ready for school. What do you study in history class? We study ancient civilizations. What do you bring to class every day? I bring my notebook and pencil. Do you have any exams this week? Yes, I have an English exam on Friday.